Hey, ḓuvha ḽi khou fhisa, ḓuvha ḽi khou fhisa, ḓuvha ḽi khou fhisa. Batho ba borine ba gai? Batho ba borine ba gai? Batho ba borine ba gai? Thi ḓivha khou mbonana ngoho. Ri ḓuvha ḽi khou fhisa. Ya, zwi tonga hafha zwi khwine zwino. Batho ba borine. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, Blessa. Zanhle. Mazimba Mut. Hi, hi, honey. Hi, my love. Hello. I just want to greet you guys in the name of mask. Don't forget to wear this. I'm here by the mall. I want to buy food. But as the president said, we must always have this. So I'm following the rules. So I'm here by the mall. And then Fista Blake sent me the other beat. It's a killer beat. So I'm thinking of going to the studio tonight. Not going to the studio actually, because I do have a studio here, so there's no need of saying I'm going to the studio. So I want to do something with a Fiesta Black. If you guys still remember her, she gubu, she bashinene, she kuteka. Yeah, so I'm gonna do something with her today. So I have a beat here, so I don't know what do you guys think. I want to freestyle, to do a freestyle on this beat before we can get into the studio. So yeah, so I'm here just because of I respect you guys and I respect your decisions. So I want to do a freestyle on this. So you guys will tell me whether you like the beat or not. Yo, Ish, you know this person, he has been calling me and I want to be busy now. Ish. So yeah, let me start a beat. Yeah, bro. Tshikiripoto chipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipoto bone chipala mafhungo. Tshikiripoto chipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipoto pezi chipala mafhungo. Chaba makeloni chipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipoto pezi chipala mafhungo. Tshikiripoto chipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipoto pezi chipala mafhungo. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Divise mafhungo ni yanga. Divise mafhungo ni yanga. Ini divise mafhungo ni yanga. Harbo! Hey! Dari WhatsApp isenda zvichere. Aicha senda zinyimbo pezi isenda zvichere. Dari WhatsApp isenda zvichere. Aicha senda zinyimbo pezi isenda zvichere bone. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Divise mafhungo ni yanga. Divise mafhungo ni yanga. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Darphane mafhungo ni yanga. Divise mafhungo ni yanga. Harbo! Hey! Mbata ya baba ne irema mafhungo. Aicha rema zikuni pezi irema mafhungo. Yabo makelwani irema mafhungo. Aicha rema zikuni pezi irema mafhungo. WhatsApp isenda zvichere. Aicha senda zinyimbo pezi isenda zvichere. What's up, boys and as we chat? I just send a Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Ni mafhungo ni yanga. Ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Tshikiripoto tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipoto peti tshipala mafhungo. Chava makarani tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipoto peti tshipala mafhungo. Tshikiripoto tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipani peti tshipala mafhungo. Chava makarani tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipoto peti tshipala mafhungo. Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Kana ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Ini ifise ni mafhungo ni yanga. Hey, what's up? We send us the chair. I could send us the. Yeah, so I'm gonna be in the studio in a few hours time with Fiesta Black, Washigubu. So we're gonna rock this track, you know. I can't wait to give you guys after lockdown, because now we are preparing for December, because we don't know when this level 4 gonna end, and we don't know when this level 3 and 2 gonna end. So we are just working every day. So this beat I had to share with you guys, because it's a nice beat and it's a vibe. So this one is Bataborine. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna speak English so that we can understand each other, but when it comes to singing, I'm sorry, I'm gonna use my language, because I think you guys enjoy that more than everything. So I'm gonna keep on killing Chivenda, so you will learn Chivenda via my songs. In the meantime, I will just go with the flow with everything in English, besides making music in English. I'm sorry. Yeah, so people are loving this beat. They are saying, please go to the studio, Makhadzi. We can't wait for that. Thank you very much. So I just wanted to do a freestyle on it. So I think we call. Oh yeah, please repeat. Okay, let me repeat one more time. I'm gonna just give you a few verses. I'm not gonna go give you the whole song, because you know, I don't know who's watching, who's real a fan, who's not real fan, but I trust you guys, you're the real fans, because some of them, they are here just to steal other people's ideas, other people's you know, songs. So we don't know, so I'm not gonna give you all of it. I'm gonna just give you a few lines, few verses. Okay, let me do it. So let's go. So this song is all about minding your own business. You must learn to mind your own business. That's what this song is all about. So yeah, bro. Makhadzi, I know you guys can't wait. Tshikiripoto tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipoto bone tshipala mafhungo. Tshikiripoto tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipani pesi tshipala mafhungo. Zava makarani tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipoto pesi tshipala mafhungo. Tshikiripoto tshipala mafhungo. Achichapala sipoto pesi tshipala mafhungo. Vanani we Kani mafhungo ni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Ngashato. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Ini tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. What's up? Usisenda zichere. Someone just sorry guys, please stop calling now just because of I'm live. I know you guys, you are calling and you are disturbing my people here. They want to hear more, so please stop calling. If you are watching this video and you are calling me, please stop calling. I want to give this vibe to my people in the meantime, so I don't want to entertain calls in the meantime. I'm busy with my favorites, so please, if you are calling me just because of you are watching me live now, please just wait. I'm still busy. We are cooking something serious. Yes, I'm back. I'm sorry. I'm very much sorry. So if you, like, hence I said, if you are calling me just because of you're watching me, please stop calling, because some of the people I know, like, they have my number, they're calling me now just because of they're watching me live. So please stop calling. We want to end this live nice. So let's go one more time. So this song is all about minding your own business. You must learn to mind your own business. Yebo! Tshikiripoto chipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipoto pezi chipala mafhungo. Tshikiripoto chipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipoto pezi chipala mafhungo. Sabo makelwani zipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipani pezi zipala mafhungo. Sabo makelwani zipala mafhungo. Achichapala zipoto pezi zipala mafhungo. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Ini tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Ini tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. What's up? We send us zichere. Aiko senda zinyimbo pezi isenda zichere. Si what's up? We send us zichere. Aziko senda zibuya pezi isenda zichere wone. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Zimbato zabo zirema zichere. Azikorema zikuni pezi zirema mafhungo. Mbato yabo bone irema zichere. Aikorema zikuni pezi irema zichere wona. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tarifani mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Darili chani mafhungo anga. Tifiseni mafhungoni yanga. Tifiseni mafhungo. Haibo! Dimi hapa ndo zolo raro. Tshikiripoto chipala mafhungo. azvichapara zipani pedzi zvipara mafhungo dzimbato hedzi dzirema zvichere azvicharema zikuni pedzi zirema zvichere vone varipane mafhungo niyanga tifise ni mafhungo niyanga are tifise ni mafhungo niyanga ini tifise ni mafhungo niyanga varipane mafhungo niyanga ini tifise ni mafhungo niyanga varipane mafhungo niyanga are tifise ni mafhungo niyanga arwa Dari wanga mandesa awe